Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we tackle a common problem that many users face when installing Void Linux. The issue arises when trying to install grub on a BIOS system as opposed to UEFI, and encountering a situation where the menu entries for Void are missing from the generated configuration. This can be frustrating for those navigating the intricacies of system architecture and bootloader installation. In the solution provided, it was discovered that the problem stemmed from an unnecessary step in the script. By attempting to mount the boot partition before calling grub install and grub.mkconfig, the process was disrupted. The key takeaway was that the mount call was not required, and by removing it, the installation proceeded smoothly. The script author had initially assumed a root environment was necessary based on other scripts, but it was simply a matter of omitting the superfluous mount command. Solution: it turns out the issue was caused by an unnecessary mount call before installing grub. Once this step was removed, the bootloader installation process worked seamlessly. To sum it up, when encountering installation issues with grub on a BIOS system, remember to skip unnecessary mount commands before running grub install and grub.mkconfig. By simplifying the process, you can avoid complications and successfully set up your system. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more tech tips and troubleshooting tricks.